Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited because we are going to be doing a mascara primer first impressions, which I don't think I've ever done one of those on my channel, but I am so excited. So I was doing like some research on how to get like straight lashes to stay curled all day because, you know, I have that issue. And I found out about this bad boy right here. So we're gonna be testing it out today. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad. I have you guys set up in like a little bit of a different space. So hopefully it's not too bad. And hopefully you do not hear Brandon because he is so stinking loud and he's off today. So hopefully you don't hear him. But let's just go ahead and jump right in because I am so excited. So this is a mascara primer that is foreign. All of this is in Chinese, I believe, Japanese. I'm not really sure what that is, but it's just, all I know is that it's not English. And so yeah, it is like, I don't know. Like I said, I found out about it on YouTube and I just bought mine off of Amazon. It was like 18 bucks. So I don't know, a little bit expensive, but if it works, I'm totally down to spend $18 on it. One thing that I find is really funny on the packaging is that the model 100% has fake lashes on, and you can see that like her fake lashes are not like attached properly. So you can literally see like her natural lash like sticking out and then her fake lash like on, like up into attention. So I think that's kind of funny that like this is a mascara primer and she has fake lashes on and you can totally tell it because they're not even on correctly. So thought that was kind of funny, but let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I watched a ton of videos on it. Like I found like one video, which I'll link it down below if I can find it again, that was talking about it for the first time. And then after I saw that one, I just went and searched and I found like a bunch of videos on it. So I'm so excited. It's supposed to literally just make your lashes stay curled, and I don't know, it's just supposed to be magical. So hopefully it is magical. So what I'm gonna do real quickly is curl my lashes. I got a new eyelash curler. I bought this one off Amazon too. I don't know, it had really great reviews. I don't know if I'll actually like it, but we're gonna try it out. So, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the primer, and then what I decided to do, because I thought this would be like really put it to the test, because whenever I was watching videos on it, people were like, no, this is gonna like make your lashes stay up and you can use whatever primer, or I mean whatever mascara you like. So I thought on this eye I will use a non-waterproof mascara, and then on this eye I'll use a waterproof mascara, and I know that this one will like keep my lashes up like throughout the day. Usually my lashes fall down if I don't use a waterproof mascara. So we're gonna see if it actually does like keep your lashes up no matter what mascara you use. So real quickly, sorry if you see this mirror, but we gotta see what we're doing here. Actually, maybe I can get a different mirror. No, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so, oh my goodness, my eyes are creasing so bad. Please ignore that. I used a different foundation than what I normally do today, and I don't like it. So I'm glad that I know that I don't like it now, because I haven't used it in a long time. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and do this eyeball. I cannot tell you the directions because like I said, it is not in English. So I'm just gonna do what everybody did on the YouTube videos I watched. And they literally just did their normal routine, curled their lashes, and went about, you know, their life. So that's what we're gonna try right now. Can't say I love this. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that eyelash curler, so I'm just gonna use my regular old Maybelline one. I feel like the band was way too squishy, and so it like did not really curl my lashes in any way, shape, or form. Ooh, also what I'm gonna do is I'm going to heat up my eyelash curler. I just heated up my eyelash curler with a blow dryer, and I will normally do this. Sometimes I'll do it before, sometimes I'll do it after. Just kind of depends on my level of laziness for the day. So we are gonna do it. I just have very straight lashes. They're not like downturned or anything, they're just straight, and they are so hard to keep curled throughout the day. I feel like they fall no matter what mascara I use. Obviously it is a little bit better with like waterproof mascara, but I still feel like by the end of the day, they have fallen like nobody's business. So if I can find something that just makes them stay up all dang day long, I'm here for it. Okay, So we have gotten our lashes all curled into attention. Let's try this bad boy out. Oop, foundation all over my arm. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, so this is what it looks like. It is a clear formula, so okay. Okay. I'm just applying it like I normally would, like mascara. I have tried mascara primers in the past and I was not impressed because they're usually like a water-based, and so they obviously make my lashes come down right off the bat because there's like nothing like waterproof in there, and so they just fall immediately after applying. So right now I am kind of impressed that my lashes aren't immediately falling. So that is a good sign. I will say my lashes are clumping just a bit, but that's okay because I have a lash comb right here. And I'm just gonna, you know, kind of run through them a bit. They're falling a little bit, but like not as bad as other primers. Like other primers, literally right off the bat, they are falling. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other eye as well, because I'm gonna go ahead and do both primers because, like I said, I have no idea how to actually use this and don't know if I need to let it dry or what. So it's a little bit tacky right now, so maybe just give it a couple of seconds, I think. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to curl this eye again. We're gonna see what happens. This could be a huge mistake. Could clump everything. But we're gonna try it. I don't know. Maybe this will be a good thing. Maybe this will really make it stay. I don't know. We'll see. They're definitely up into attention. I know so many people are like, oh, you're not supposed to curl your lashes like that because it creates like a crease. I have tried curling it every single way, like every way, and this is the only way that makes them stay. I've curled them like where you go all the way around, and so it's like a nice curl where it's not just like this, because I mean that's what my lashes look like right now. They're literally like this, but this is the only way I can curl my lashes and it not look absolutely horrendous. So, and give me any kind of length because I don't have that great of lashes. Okay, pretty impressed with how it's literally just staying up. I wouldn't, like, I know on a couple of the videos people are like, oh, I would just, you know, wear my lashes like this. I feel like you can't do that because it is clear, but I still feel like, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit just so you guys can kind of see, hopefully. I feel like it kind of left a little bit of residue. Nothing too crazy. I don't know if that's maybe where I got like a little bit of foundation on my eyelashes and it like kind of, whenever I applied it, it kind of made it more prominent and like more coherent maybe. Like maybe more coherent. What, Logan? More, y'all know what I'm saying. So that could be it. I don't know. But I definitely feel like they're staying way better than any other primer or anything that I've ever tried. So I'm gonna curl them one more time and then I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I was gonna go ahead and prime this eye, but you know what? No, we're gonna focus on this eye first. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my mascara. And this one is the, what is this? The Waterproof Lancome Big Monsieur Mascara. I really like this one. I find that this is one of the better ones to make my lashes actually stay curled for as long as possible. Not the entire day because, you know, my lashes just don't do that, but better than others. I gotta be honest, I'm pretty impressed so far. I'm pretty freaking impressed. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this looks pretty good. It's a little clumpy in a couple areas, but I mean, I can fix that with my lash comb. Like that's not like a deal breaker, but I feel like it's pretty up there. Doesn't look bad. I do feel like it kind of made it like less voluminous than what I normally like for my mascara and what this mascara normally gives me. So that kind of sucks, but I mean, I can definitely just, I don't know, I guess get like a super voluminous mascara. All right, let's go ahead and do this eye. Okay, I can already see that it's starting to fall. Not as bad as though I feel like it normally falls when I apply non-waterproof mascaras. But yeah, that's definitely falling and not looking good. So I don't necessarily think that that's true that you can wear any mascara. So that kind of stinks. I had high hopes for that part, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this coat on. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it'll still work, but probably not. And then I'm gonna curl it again and we're gonna see what happens. This side's getting really comfy and getting away from me fast. No, that did not work at all. This eye is so straight now. So you definitely still have to use a waterproof mascara. There's no getting away from that. Okay. Yeah, that's just, that is completely straight. Maybe that was not a good idea to do. So I'll be honest, I'm not doing anything today, so I don't really care to go around the house looking like this, having one lash up in full tension and this lash not so much, because I really want to test this out and see if the curl actually lasts all day without me having to recurl it. Because normally if I want to like a curl to last all day, I'm gonna have to take my lash curler and curl it a couple more times, like throughout the day periodically. So I'm just gonna go about my, you know, day being at home, working from home, and looking insane, and we're gonna let you know if it actually stays to attention. We're gonna see. Ooh, how can I do a cover photo for this looking insane? I don't know, but I will talk to you guys whenever I check in. All right, guys, so I've since taken off all my foundation, but this is where we're at currently with the primer, and then, you know, the primer and waterproof or non-waterproof mascara with waterproof mascara. It held up pretty good. One thing that I will say is that I did have like mascara flakes and stuff like throughout the day, like kind of on my face. I've had it on for 7 hours, which I've never had that issue with this mascara. So I do feel like that kind of, I don't know, mess with the mascara a little bit. And it does kind of feel like super hard. And I feel like however you apply it onto your mascara, or however you apply it onto your lashes, that's how your lashes are going to stay throughout the entire day. So just be aware of that. But overall, I do really, really like it. I'm definitely gonna try it out a lot more. I think I'm gonna probably do like a whole entire review on it because I wanna try it out for a couple weeks and give you guys like a solid review. But for my first impressions, I like it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.